All right, I'm really excited about what is in this box because, first off, I don't know what's in this box. I know it contains PEZ. I'm not sure exactly what dispensers, but whatever's in there, I'm sure we're going to learn today. Not packed very well. Doesn't open very well. All right. Thanks for including a bag. That says something about dear valued customer. Thank you for your business. But the PEZ were just thrown in there. Okay. All right. Let's see what it is we have here. Scrooge McDuck has a cold head because he is missing his hat. But we do have an Austria, there you can see, with no patent number. That's nice. IMC 8, very dirty. You can see all the dirt here. Be sure to check out my other videos on how to clean PEZ. So there you go. We got some Santa Claus. Let's see what kind of Santa Claus we got. We have 3 different ones, all extremely dirty. These must have been hanging out in a dirt pile for a long time. The different variations we have, let's see, 2.6 Austria, 3.4 Austria, and another 3.4 Austria. All 3 of these, IMC3. Let's check out the head springs. We have plastic, we have plastic, and we have plastic. We will add these to the army of Santa Claus PEZ dispensers. Here's one of my favorite oh no, it's cracked. Oh, damage. Oh, damage. But if you look at the eye inserts, you can see how it kind of has a pupil sticking out. Those are usually on IMC7. Yeah. Right there. See how the 7 is? It's kind of part of the P. And then down here we will have a 3.4 Hong Kong. These are the really hard ones to find, folks. I really think they're as hard to find as the Hincho in Mexico. But what do I know? Now, this one does, if you look at the back of the head. That's no webbing. That is really cool. I took a chance on a lot, and yeah, that's no webbing. And this one is on a red stem. That is really cool dispenser. It's a shame. Ah! Damage. Oh, damage. All right, let's see what else we got in the lot. We have hailing from Austria on a 3.9 stem. It's also going to be IMC3 is Bugs Bunny. But as you can see, he's missing his ears, so I was sure to speak up so he could hear my introduction. Got a cool candy button inside of this one. Look at that one. That one's really cool. All right. Oh, look at this one. This is the one that I really like. If you look down here, there is a patent number, but there is no made in country. So we're going to look up here at the very top, right here. That's an IMC 5. 5 means Yugoslavia. So this is a Yugoslavian with the plastic hinge. See the little, or the bigger hole, I should say, in the side of the head. I'm actually going to be doing a video on the different Mickey heads, so be sure to check that out. And as you can see, the metal spring head. Let's see. Yeah. That's a nice dispenser. Very nice dispenser. We will put him over here with Spiderman. And here we go. One of my favorites, Donald Duck. Stem looks pretty straight on this one. A 3.9 Austria with an IMC of 8. Say a red round candy button. All right, we're going to put him over here. And last but not least, good old Garfield. Which variation is this? The broken foot variation. It's always horrible when you break your foot and then have to go to a PEZ convention. I knew a guy once. But as you look here, 3.9, Thin Foot Austria, IMC3. See the paint on the back of the head? Yeah, it's different from the Hong Kongs. But that's another video. So until next time, do me a favor, leave me your questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. That's a really cool one. That's a really cool one.